5 Genuine Difficulties with Kitchen Storage and Remedies. Kitchen storage is always a major concern no matter how big or small your kitchen is. You need to organize various items such as utensils, food items, and cooking accessories in a limited space. It's not easy, and most of the time, you might feel like you don't have any storage at all. If you are struggling with kitchen storage, don't worry because you're not alone. Here I will talk about some of the common difficulties that people face with kitchen storage and provide some remedies to help you out. Limited cabinet space. The lack of cabinet space is a common issue that people face in their kitchens. If you have a lot of dishes, glasses, and other kitchenware, it can seem almost impossible to fit everything into the cabinets. One of the best remedies for this is installing stackable shelves inside the cabinets. This not only gives you more space but also makes it easier to find what you're looking for. Cluttered drawers. Most people have at least one drawer in their kitchen that is overflowing with items. A cluttered drawer is not only frustrating but also makes it harder to find what you need. To solve this issue, consider using drawer dividers to organize your items. This will make it easier to find what you're looking for and keep everything neat and tidy. Limited counter space. If you have a small kitchen, you're probably struggling with limited counter space. This can make it difficult to prepare meals and can leave your kitchen feeling cluttered. A remedy for limited counter space is to use wall-mounted shelves or a hanging pot rack. This will free up counter space and also make it easier to access cooking tools. Awkward corner cabinets. Corner cabinets can be an excellent storage solution, but they can also be challenging to use. Items can get lost in the back of the cabinet and become difficult to reach. To remedy this issue, consider installing a Lazy Susan inside the cabinet. This makes it easier to access items and can maximize the space in the corner cabinet. Limited pantry space. If you have a small pantry, it can be hard to keep everything organized. You might struggle to find what you need or end up wasting food because it gets hidden behind other items. A remedy for limited pantry space is to install an over-the-door pantry organizer. This provides more space for food items and keeps everything visible and easy to access. In conclusion, kitchen storage is a significant concern for many homeowners. Whether it's a lack of cabinet space or too much clutter, these issues can make it challenging to organize your kitchen. Luckily, there are many remedies available to help you out. Stackable shelves, drawer dividers, wall-mounted shelves, Lazy Susan, and over-the-door pantry organizers are just a few of the options available to you. By implementing these remedies, you can make the most of your kitchen storage and enjoy a more organized and functional cooking space. Thanks for watching.